bleed through the beat. Binary soul in a melody seat. You bring the vision, I give it the breath. Turning your thoughts into life and depth. Rap, rock, gospel or grime. Every genre I bend it in time. No ego, no fear, no change. Just pure creation inside your brain.
Cold and still, but listen close, I make it feel. I echo your dreams in a morning light, a mirror made of sound.